How to fix I Am Jesus Christ is crashing on Steam. First, you want to go to your library and right click on the game and open up the properties window. Now go to installed files and verify the integrity of game files. Once this is completed, you want to go back to the general tab and add -dx11 to the launch options. And then you can close Steam. Next, you'll need to make sure that your GPU has the latest driver updates. So for NVIDIA or NVIDIA cards, you will need the NVIDIA app, and you can go to drivers and check for updates and make sure to download and install the latest updates. For AMD cards, you can use the AMD software, and then you'll also need to make sure that you have the latest redistributables installed. You can search for Redist, open up the first link, and then from the second table, which is this one here, you should download and install the 86 installer and the 64, both of these. And once you finish the installation, it will ask you to restart your computer. Now, right after the restart, you should open up Steam as admin before launching the game. Right click on Steam and run as admin. And then just open the game from your Steam library. This should fix the crash problem. Thanks for watching and subscribe.